Hugo is a rail zeppelin. He has a propeller on the back and is one of the fastest engines in the world. One afternoon he was taking passengers to the Sodor airport when he saw someone that he has never met before.
Hello, who are you?
Oh, hello there. My name is Jeremy.
I'm Hugo. Are you a plane?
No, I'm a tugboat.
You don't look like one.
I am only joking, of course. I'm a plane. I take passengers from Sodor to the mainland.
Wow, it sounds amazing.
You look like you could fly.
I've already tried many times, but I couldn't get off the tracks, even an inch.
I bet you haven't tried on my runway.
That sounds like a great idea.
Why don't you come and fly me to the mainland?
Oh, yes, please.
Soon Hugo is on the runway, ready to take off.
Now, as soon as you pick up speed, try and lift up. Spin your propeller thingamajig as fast as you can.
I'll try.
3, 2, 1, go!
I did it.
The most important thing when you fly is pay full attention to your surroundings and to always fill up with plenty of fuel.
Fill up with fuel.
Yes, you don't want to fall halfway through your trip.
Oops.
Fucking idiot.